Welcome back, Crammers, to question 5. The table shows the temperature recorded in Amsterdam at 6 a.m. on each of 5 days. What is the range of the temperatures in the table? So range is simply equal to largest minus smallest. The largest value here we have is 4, and the smallest value we have is -6. So we simply write 4 minus -6, and whenever you subtract the negative, it simply adds. So 4 plus 6 gives us 10. What is the median of the temperatures in the table? Now, when dealing with median, we actually have to arrange them in ascending orders. That means smallest to largest. So smallest, we have -6. Then we have -5. Then we have -1. Then we have 3. And then we have 4. Now, median is the middle, which is -1. What percentage of temperatures in the table are lower than 0 degrees? So anything less than 0 is something in negative. So we take all the negative numbers, 1, 2, and 3. So 3 over, what's the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 temperatures given. And we simply multiply this by 100. Now I can see that 100 is divisible by 5, so that gives us 20. So 3 times 20 is simply 60%. On Saturday of the same week, the temperature recorded in Amsterdam at 6 a.m. was 8 degrees higher than the temperature recorded at 6 a.m. on Friday. What temperature was the temperature recorded in Amsterdam at 6 a.m. on Saturday? So Saturday is 8 degrees higher. So that means whatever value is for Friday, we add 8. Since Friday is already given as -6, -6 plus 8 simply gives us 2 degrees Celsius. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.